at Young Living. I'm Doug Corrigan, Director of Training and Education for Young Living Essential Oils. And today we have a super timely subject. And of course, you could be listening to this recording at other times of the year. But while we're recording, this topic is very timely, and that's because we are just starting school. We're seeing the advent of the cold season and the infectious diseases that are being passed around at a higher rate as our immune system sometimes struggle with the different exposures that we get as we go back to school. And of course, as the cold season comes, it has a tendency to reduce the immunity a little bit. And so we're talking about ways that we can steer clear of these seasonal maladies that are so commonplace this time of year. Of course, it doesn't have to be the cold season for us to have to be worried about, flu, cold prevention and all those different things, because you can be exposed at any time of the year. But you've probably experienced this, however, that you've got a holiday party scheduled with the family or with work, an exciting event planned, only to come down with some kind of a problem or illness that ruins it all. And as the old adage says, and that's truly the case with our topic today, the best offense is often a good defense. So we need to support our immune systems, which is our frontline defender against ill health. Doesn't it seem the best strategy, people? I mean, we can't control all of our surroundings. We can't control the fact that somebody else in the office next to ours is maybe not washing their hands, or who knows what. We don't like to think about that stuff. But if we take the advantage of some of nature's gifts and build a fortress around ourselves by both strengthening our innate immunity and then, of course, gearing up that active immunity, and then eliminating as much as we can in our surroundings the chance of catching one of these bad bugs. So today, we have 3 products that do just that. Thieves Essential Oil, an institution in and of itself, the favorite product of countless tens of thousands of different Young Living faithful. Thieves Hard Lozenges, which, again, a great application of the Thieves Essential Oil, which we're going to talk about why they're so effective, and Inner Defense Soft Gels. Each of these products is an essential part, or can be an essential part, of your arsenal to protect against those party-crashing ailments, or worse, and going to keep you back from just enjoying your life on a day-to-day basis. Many of you are aware, this is compulsory when we talk about thieves, is that the famed Marseille vinegar, the 4 Thieves vinegar, which was used by thieves for protection as they robbed the homes and graves of those devastated by the Great Plague of the 17th century, will be happy to know that this was the basis, and many of the ingredients that are used in our Thieves formula were the ingredients that were used in this famed Marseille vinegar, which was so effective against such a deadly and devastating disease. Well, these same ingredients have no problem handling the bugs and the things that would do you harm, since they were also able to handle the Black Plague. Reports of the event say that these thieves were given leniency in exchange for sharing this protective formula. And again, like I just said, Thieves Essential Oil combines ancient wisdom of this formula with some of the modern research and enhancing it with some of the other things we know about powerful essential oils today. It contains clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. This formula, this blend, has been university tested and contains ingredients that are well known for their potent antimicrobial properties. You can even go on PubMed and perform a search for clove or cinnamon, for example, find literally dozens, sometimes hundreds of research studies talking about the antimicrobial properties of these different essential oils. Now, when you combine them all in one blend like Thieves, of course, you get a synergistic effect that a single oil couldn't even dream of having, even as great as each of these single oils might be. And this, in fact, enhances their overall potency. Thieves Blend is a real go-to remedy that so many people rely on during their quest to maintain their best healthy self, and sometimes just make it through the day or the work week, and to stay on top of this onslaught of different microbes that are coming our way. Scientists and healthcare professionals are concerned about airborne germs because this is the most efficient route for them to spread to a large number of people. That's where we diffuse Thieves. Diffuse it everywhere you can. It needs to be done, if not daily, a weekly basis, to sanitize your environment. There's constantly new threats coming into your workplace, into your home. Diffusing Thieves in your home or office is a great way to defend against airborne substances that could harm your health or the health of your loved ones. And it just smells great. It smells so wonderful. You're not likely to get any complaints from folks when you diffuse it. Quite the opposite. People are all the time asking, hey, what is that tremendous scent that you have in your home? And oftentimes in our home, that scent is thieves. By diffusing thieves in the air, it can really help neutralize these harmful substances so we just breathe healthier air. And of course, those oils eventually settle on all of our surfaces, and all these surfaces are really the battleground for exchange a lot of times in our kitchen, in our bathrooms, in our living areas where different types of bacteria are festering, funguses, molds, all those different things. Thieves makes it an inhospitable place for these germs to live. And of course, it's really important when we have children because, as every mom and dad knows, going to school exposes them to any number of germs. My kids call them cooties, but whatever you call them, they're the things that you don't want at your house or on your body. So thieves can be employed to prevent us from attack. So if you want to sell that to your kids, they could be nature's perfect cootie abatement plan. So at once, these kids bring home, they unknowingly share those germs with the rest of the family, and all kinds of stuff breaks loose. Now, another great way to use thieves is to apply it topically. Thieves is a powerful blend, and one of the best places to apply this is on the soles of the feet. The minute that someone feels something coming on, or just as a preventative, a prophylactic type of administration during times when you are especially exposed. But not only their feet hardier, but they have larger pores that soak up the oils and get them into the body more rapidly. The feet are a great place to administer, and of course the feet, and as far as VitaFlex teaches us, are connected to all kinds of different areas in the body that might need support at one time or another. Now, once inside your body, the oils and thieves are highly effective at supporting a healthy immune system. It's a search and destroy kind of thing, going through the different circulatory and passing freely through tissue barriers and finding irregularities wherever they might be and adjusting them and balancing them and destroying them wherever they can. Of course, this isn't the only way to use it topically. If you have a throat discomfort or an achy mouth, many people report receiving relief from just placing a few drops on your distressed areas. Wherever there's a sore or an open wound, be a little careful with open wounds, but for instance, a cold sore or different things like that, even though there's a sharpness there at first, sometimes that clove in there can also help to numb the pain, and then it goes to work destroying the germs that might be causing you a problem. Now, this is a situation, a great situation, where Thieves Hard Lozenges could be employed. Thieves Hard Lozenges will, of course, refresh your mouth and breath and provide soothing relief for your throat. Always important to have some Thieves lozenges with you, especially the minute you think you might have been exposed. Just pop a lozenge in your mouth, or the minute you feel yourself coming down with something. Again, a lozenge can be employed. They're lightly sweetened with a low glycemic sugar maltitol, and they also have a little bit of flavor of natural peppermint and lemon essential oil added, so very pleasant. Some find them a little bit strong at first. That usually goes away if they start to use it a little bit. All you need to do is just dissolve one lozenge in your mouth. You'll truly experience the comfort and relief that they provide. Remember, so often where these different germs proliferate is right there, that battleground in the mouth and in our sinus cavities and all those kind of things is where we take in so many of the things that would do us harm. So why not prepare a barrier there? Why not prepare a first line of defense with these different essential oil lozenges? Can really be a boost. And then, of course, if things are going south and things are getting tough with regards to catching or bringing something, you're coming down with something, these lozenges can help to turn the tide back in your favor and certainly cut the duration of whatever it is that's ailing you. You know, Thieves, just the oil bottle can be used internally and often is just dripped into the mouth or put in a little bit of almond or rice milk and drink it down. Internally, it is a great boost to helping you get over anything that's ailing you. And if you don't want to do that and drip it into your drinks, or if you want to deliver directly to the tummy, you can take Young Living's Inner Defense. So Inner Defense soft gels. These gels truly reinforce your systemic defenses, and they create an environment inside the body that's truly unfriendly to harmful foreign invaders. And they do that through these potent essential oils that they have in Thieves, and with the addition of a couple of other real big hitters when it comes to antimicrobial activity activity, and that's oregano and thyme. These oils, oregano and thyme, are rich in thymol, carvacrol, and those of you who know chemistry of essential oils know that these are phenols, and they are tremendous at supporting a healthy immune system because they are, as I like to call them, the Chuck Norris of the essential oil world. They go in and they kick butt and take names. Whatever microbe might be causing you trouble, phenols oftentimes have the wherewithal to knock those suckers out. So they support tremendously healthy immune system, and again, that ebbs over into healthy respiratory function and other areas. So anytime you feel like you're coming down with something, or you think you've been exposed at work, or maybe you're just feeling a little bit low, like in mood or energy, and you might be vulnerable to some of these things that would do you harm, or maybe you're going to be in an environment where you're going to have a high probability of being exposed to something, these gels, Inner Defense, can be employed to help you out. Popular use for these is when flying. When you're in a tight, cramped airplane, rub Thieves Essential Oil on the bottom of your feet. Take some Inner Defense with you before the flight, and always have a lozenge right there at your beck and call. So to boost your defenses, Thieves can be tremendous, and Inner Defense is a great thing to take, again, before you fly or when you're on the road, and always have some in your personals bag. So to experience an even greater effect, you can use all the products together. Apply oils to your feet, apply oils where needed, diffuse them aromatically, take an Inner Defense soft gel, and then suck on a hard lozenge. Now you have a 1-2-3 punch that really increases the likelihood of successfully avoiding catching whatever is floating around in the air or on the surfaces or on somebody's hands or wherever else that you might get exposures, and also cutting the duration of the problems as they arise. As always, we've only outlined a few uses really of these unmatched products. Thieves is, as I said, a legendary institution in and of itself. We could go on and on, but we hope that you've learned a few things about Thieves that can help you and see how this 1-2-3 punch can really be incorporated together to truly build a fortress of defense around you and your loved ones. Until next time, I wish you personally Godspeed in your quest for